Welcome back. Okay, so I'm gonna do these. I don't know, I might do all of them one time. No, I have a bunch going on here. So since this is primary, I'm gonna do this one, and then I'll do this one, and then I can do another video with the others because there's a lot going on this table that you cannot see. Am I getting up for this? I'm gonna get up so y'all can see detail. All right, so here we have an incense holder, just a cute black and white joint, nothing crazy, but it looks like, oh, so this probably lifted. Dang. Okay, so it looks like the black pieces lifted, so the white went underneath. But I'm gonna probably do like some UV to fill these gaps because I don't like that. See, like right here is the only piece that stayed flat, everything else lifted. That's crazy, but I like it though. It's giving Dalmatian kind of. I think I'm gonna name it that. I like it, it's cute. And this baby here, I love how the back came out. I wish the front came out like this, but I know I didn't, but I still love it. Okay, yes, this came out. See, I didn't even intend for the black, green, and yellow and gold to be next to each other like that. It could have been any combination, but you know, yeah. But obsessed. This blue looks really good. Yeah, I'm fond of it. I low-key wish the greens mixed out some more in this and the golds on this side, but it still looks really good. But yeah, all right, so per usual, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.